Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about the Canary Islands, my islands. And remember, like I forgot last week, we have 8 islands now. Tenerife, La Gomera, La Palma, El Hierro, Gran Canaria, Fuerteventura, Lanzarote, and La Graciosa. Good job. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Listen and repeat with me. Island, island, island. Now we are going to talk about our island, Tenerife. Ready? Steady? Go. This is Tenerife. You know it's Tenerife because it's in the shape of a triangle. Where do you live in Tenerife? Do you know the capital? The heart is the capital. The capital is Santa Cruz. Do you remember the Prince of Fire from Tenerife? What's his name? His name is Prince Honai. Now, let's talk about Tenerife's most famous volcano. What's it called? Yes, it's called the Teide. It's the biggest volcano on the island. Eruption. Eruption. This is when a volcano explodes. Here we can see a volcanic eruption with smoke and lava. Don't worry, this volcano is not in Tenerife. Beach. Beach. This is a beach. It is very close to Santa Cruz. It's called Las Teresitas. Pool. Pool. This is a natural pool found in Tenerife. Forest. Forest. This is a forest, like we find in the mountains. Hiking. Hiking. I like to go hiking in the forest. Dolphin. Dolphin. We have lots of dolphins around Tenerife. Whale. Whale. Also, we have a lot of whales around Tenerife. Siam Park. Siam Park. CM Park is the most famous water park in Tenerife, and maybe the world. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe you learned something. Have fun at home. See you soon. Bye.
Bye bye.